directions.
And we're gonna show you the super cool, amazing, super fly trick.
Yeah.
Yup. So please enjoy it, and it's starting now. Oh wait. Okay. I just had a hiccup. Like, how many minutes ago? 1, 2. About 3 minutes ago. Yeah, 3 minutes ago. And goodness.
And we did so many tricks to make her stop.
Yep.
And now we'll show you all of them today.
We're showing them all.
Yeah. Let's start with the water trick.
the your closing one, right?
No, not yet. Just take 12 cups of water.
Okay.
Did it stop?
No, it didn't stop. But
There's another way now.
now there's another way.
There's another way. You have to, she has to drink it. You pinch your nose and then I cover your ears. Go.
You're making me laugh. You made me laugh. This worked on us like last year, and we used to always try. Hey, you dropped my can.
Sorry.
Okay. Well.
And then there's some other ways, like putting your back like this.
and the scream will get you out. Or there's another trick. It's super fun. Make sure you have a friend with you or a partner. Okay. Come on. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2.
So we're gonna have a screaming contest. Ready?
What? Okay. 1, 2, 3. And that's when it's gone. That is our mini slap. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, well, we're just gonna do some random stuff. Like super random. Like super. Okay, let's get pumped. Yeah.
You.
We're gonna have a hula hooping contest.
Okay.
Let's get it on. You're ruining. Look at Mom, no hands. You look weird. The champ.
Then throw stuff in the air. Look how you catch it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, well, we have to go now. We're getting diarrhea. Just kidding. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed our super random, super cool, super fly to the sky video.
Peace out. See you next video.
Peace out.